Alrighty everyone, just for today's upload, welcome back to the channel and everything. We are putting in my NASCAR experience, my wife being oh so sweet for my dirty 30. Oh, I won't zoom in when it's flipped, sorry. Yeah, that just means it's really close to my face though. But anyways, for my dirty 30 6 months ago, oh actually, holy crap. No, it was 6 months ago I did it, but it was for my birthday a year ago. But you had to book it out 6 months in advance, yeah. So anyways, got to drive a NASCAR race car and everything. So we're going to show some videos of that and everything. But on top of that, there's a few little things I forgot in the last video of us revealing all the play toys to the kids and everything and all the reactions and all that fun. And some of their racing adventures that they went on that was on my wife's phone that wasn't on my phone whenever I went to record or to edit the video and everything. Excuse me. So anyways, we're going to jump right into the video. I hope you all enjoy. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up. Stop by for the first time. Please subscribe. Sister-in-law, but I almost forgot something really important. Yeah, we're still in the camper and everything. We got another camper living video coming out real soon. But in 1 week, my custom F-350 Power Stroke gets built. Whoop whoop. Yeah, so I can have a cool new vehicle like my wife. But this one was custom built for the way I want it, so it's going to be really cool. This one has to last because you can no longer pre-order F-250s, F-350s, 450s, or 550s right now because they can't keep up with it. And I'm getting mine in a short, 4 months when most people were like waiting a year. I still have friends that ordered Platinums and stuff 1 year ago and still don't have a VIN. If that tells you anything right now with the way everything's going on right now about chips, and I think fifth wheel prep is one of the issues, but heck, I can just take it down the road to any little side gig job and they'll put it in. But anyways, that, and there's one more important thing. Oh, we bought a house today. The Bardominium took a really bad spin off and turn, and we'll explain that in the next video that explains the house that we bought. So the camper living will not necessarily cease because this will be a built home, but it's going to be a lot quicker than what we were expecting, if that makes any sense at all. Anyways, hope you all enjoy the video. It'd be really cool if I could get Jim Gordon's old car.
So there goes Daddy. He's gonna go vroom vroom.
Woo! I'm scared.
And you're scared? I think Dad might have pooped himself already. Alright, we're gonna go up there so we can see Dad.
What? Oh.
Oh. Hey, sweetie, if you come take a step on these steps or jump up there, you can see it. All the dogs are overexcited.
Just put it on the chair.
Just put it on the chair.
Oh.
So I forgot to bring the truck to buy ramps, but that's why I needed the truck today. But I totally took the soccer mom car.
That took a little effort. I like it. It's wet.
Soon as you...
Well, it has been raining.
Well, it has been raining. That's why I've got bags over the handlebars for the electric switches. But we're going to take it out to the property. Next day you're with us, we'll take it out to the property and we'll have some fun. After we find your helmet.
It's in a box. I know where it's at.
That's
In storage?
a surprise.
Oh, God.
We'll
She's
have
gonna
this on
fall and
video.
not be able to ride it.
Okay, let's act like this is the beam.
I was about to say you're a gymnast. Surely to goodness
And
gracious.
she
Hey,
should
I
stick
mean,
it.
that's a really bad fall if you fall.
Let's see if she sticks it. And she's good. I'll give you a 10.
I give you a point 10. Oh, well, there's parts where... Dude.
Look at.
What is that? Is that the one you asked for?
Yeah.
Oh, boy. Oh, man.
You want to go up there?
Yeah.
Gosh, we got to catapult them up there.
Sit back then.
I was thinking about, but where's I got back in with the cars in the way?
So we talked
Thank
to
car.
TV now and Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
How heavy is it?
We could technically lift it up here. It's not that bad. That one would suck with the height of the truck.
How'd you get up there?
Ramps?
Huh.
We use ramps.
Yeah,
Now, well, I
on,
was
they're
thinking if we wanted to take all these off, and the easy way to throw them back on, I can back up to, you know, over here or something. I can back up to something.
Well, just get his out, because he's the only one here. Oh, you got a big boogie.
Yeah. Hold it.
Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
You ready to go?
I was posting on our anniversary. I'm sorry.
Hey, happy anniversary!
The kids get toys.
Yeah, you all get to see our kids get toys.
It's not as warm as I thought.
You want to start it one more time for Grandma?
Show her that you can start it.
I really got.
Hop
I
up.
gotta get my jacket on.
Can you get up by yourself? I can put you up. Want me to help you?
Really quick.
He wants me to sit up there.
Barbie.
Bless you.
You can ride it, Johnny.
Hop
I
on.
might. I don't want
Just
to be.
go ahead and jump on and start it for us.
Like you're breaking.
Barbie.
All right, so you think your brother wasn't tall enough, you ready for Daddy to win? Going down.
She about to take herself out.
How's losing? How's losing, sweetie? How's it getting spun out by your dad 3 times? Actually, no, you lost. You suck. I won!
Because he made me wreck.
Praise hell, praise down. Praise hell, praise down. Praise hell, praise down.
Yeehaw!